Welcome to Pydle Day 72. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a Minecraft type sword on a black background. So have a go at solving that Pydle. If you haven't played Pydle before, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle to give you a flavor of how to tackle the Pydle puzzles. Okay, so it's a knife and a fork, and the knife and fork is in black, which is significant because that's the background color, and we only have to basically draw the white pixels. So today's solution, I'm gonna just use quite a lazy approach. I'm going to define a list of the limits of each of these vertical white lines. So it'll just be a collection of tuples. So we only need to draw 4 lines, even though that's once just a single pixel. We still consider that a line. Okay, so that's our 4 tuples. So we basically need a start and an end. So the start is going to be so we can use a greater than. So this one is going to be 0, 1, 2. So it needs to be greater than 1 and less than 5 because it goes to the 4th pixel. Okay, this one's going to be -1 and 1. So we only need to draw pixel number 0. This one's going to be 1 and 5, same as the first one. And this one's going to be -1, 5. Okay, so just to reiterate, I'm defining a list just with the limits of the white vertical lines. And I did it so I can use greater than and less than. So let's fill in the rest of the code. So let's do for x in range 4. I need to go to 4 because the last column is completely black. Don't have to worry about that. And then for y in range, you need to do 5 there. Okay, so what we're going to do is say if lims is just shorthand for limits x, because that is the index of the tuple. Then we can use the index of that tuple that we returned, 0. So that's the start of the range. You could say y less than limits x and 1. So the second element. So we say y must be greater than the first element and less than the second element. So that's how we define these limits. And now we can say Pydle x comma y comma no character and white. So this is quite a nice and simple one. There it is solved. If you need to Pydle, it may be worth just going to try some previous puzzles, or click along for today's solution and then have a go at solving today's Pydle. I'll see you again tomorrow.